Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the 3-in-1 Baby Bassinet, a versatile and innovative solution for your newborn's sleep needs. This multifunctional crib can be used as a standalone bassinet, a soothing rocking crib, or a convenient bedside sleeper, all designed to provide a safe and comfortable environment for your baby. The bassinet features a cozy memory foam mattress with OEKO Tex 130 Pure US certifications, ensuring your little one enjoys a restful sleep. With 4 mute casters and brakes, it's easy to move around your home, and its 6 adjustable heights allow it to fit seamlessly next to most adult beds. The breathable mesh and firm metal frame guarantee stability and safety, while the side zipper makes nighttime feeding a breeze. Assembly is tool-free and takes just 5 to 10 minutes, and both the mesh and mattress cover are machine washable for effortless cleaning. Experience peace of mind and convenience with this thoughtfully designed baby bassinet, perfect for infants up to 5 months old. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.